How to access Hulu in the UK. Hulu is primarily available in the United States and is not officially accessible in the UK. However, you can access Hulu's content in the UK by following these steps. Step number 1, subscribe to a reliable VPN service. Choose a reputable VPN provider that offers servers in the United States. Services like NordVPN, Surfshark, and ExpressVPN are commonly recommended for their strong US server networks and reliable connections. Step number 2, install the VPN application. Download and install the VPN application on your device. Ensure the application is compatible with your operating system. Step number 3, connect to a US server. Open the VPN application and connect to a server located in the United States. This will assign you a US IP address, making it appear as though you're accessing the internet from within the US. Step number 4, access Hulu. With the VPN active and connected to a US server, visit the Hulu website or open the Hulu app. You should now be able to stream content as if you were in the United States. Step number 5, subscribe to Hulu. If you don't already have a Hulu subscription, you can sign up directly through their website. Please note that Hulu requires a US issued payment method for subscription. If you don't have a US credit card, consider using Hulu gift cards, which can be purchased online and redeemed for subscription payments. Important considerations. Using a VPN to access Hulu from outside the US may violate Hulu's terms of service. Proceed with caution and be aware of the potential risks. Ensure your internet connection is stable to enjoy uninterrupted streaming.